Hi, my name is Nick Agram. Welcome to this series of videos. It is all about let reviewer in mathematics. My disclaimer is that wala sa anuman na isusolve ko dito ay akin. I took it from the internet. They are readily available. My purpose is that I'm going to explain, not only answer them. I will try to explain the background, why or how to solve them. That's my purpose. Why am I doing this series of videos? I'm going to explain one question or one exercise at a time, and no two exercises in one video clip. So it should not be that long video clips that I'm going to do. One way is that how I'm going to, for example, this one, if I start it with 1, then I finish until the end, then I will put them in one playlist so that you can follow along. I found this in some of the websites that are offering online let review. So I concentrated only for mathematics because that is what I know. I cannot do other things. Just joking. Of course I can do, but that is what I am interested of doing. So tag along. I hope you will learn something when I explain these questions. For example, this one now, I can start with this now. The two buses leave the same station at 8 p.m. One bus travels north at the rate of 30 km per hour, and the other travels east at 40 km per hour. How many kilometers apart are the buses at 10 p.m.? That means 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Then we have our time now is 2 hours. And you know that is the speed is equal to the distance divided by time. So if you know the speed and you know the time, then you can always solve for the distance. So if we were going to say for the distance for the bus one, and the speed of the first one is 30, and the distance we don't know yet, and then we have 2 hours. That means the distance is 60 kilometers. The other bus, we call it distance for the other bus, that is d sub 2 divided by time. Then if still time is 2, how could I know that it's 60? If we divide both sides of the equation by 2, then we have 60. And then the speed is 40 kilometers per hour, and our distance is 80. If we multiply both sides of the equation by 2 also here. So we have 80 kilometers, and then our distance 2. If we're going to study once again, the question is that one bus travels north and the other bus travels east. That means one travels north. If this is the origin, that one travels north and this one travels east. And you know this is, maybe I'm not that good at drawing. We have here, this distance is 60 and this one is 80 kilometers. I will put here kilometers here, such that we're going to find this one. So according to Pythagoras sets, we have Pythagoras theorem, another language. X squared is equal to 60 squared plus 80 squared. Then we have 3600 plus 8000. 64, 6400 it should be, not 80. X squared. And then we take the square root of both sides of the equation. Then we have x is equal to the square root of, that is 0, 0, and then we have 0, and then we have 10. That's 10,000. And 10,000 is equal to 100 squared. So we have, that is 100. Then the answer is 100 kilometers. There you go. Next video will be this question. I'm not going to read. You can read it if you want. Pause it and then read it. That will be my next video. See you around.